Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook posts not showing on timeline. So if you find that your Facebook post not showing on the when you view your profile as public, you can follow the steps right here to fix it. First, you can go to the Facebook app info. You can find Facebook and long press on it. Click on this info button and you'll be directed to the app info or app settings on your phone. Here you can go to the storage and cache, and now just click on the clear the cache. Okay, after that, the second step that you can do is try to update the Facebook app. You can check it on the Google Play Store or App Store to see if your Facebook needs any updates. You can click on a search and then here type in Facebook, and as you guys can see here, my Facebook is already on the latest version, so I don't need to update the app. Okay, so the last thing that you can do is go to your Facebook app. So you can open Facebook, and here you can click on your profile, your photo, and then find the settings and privacy. Tap on the settings, and then you can just scroll down until you find your activity section and tap on the activity log. Click on that, and in here you can just click on the drop down on your Facebook activity and tap on the post options. Click on your post photos and videos, and in here, so now what you need to do is just click on this check on all, and here you can click on the three dots icon and tap on change audience. Click on the change audience again and tap on public in here, and then here all of the selected posts will have their audience changed to your selected option. You can tap on change. Okay, let's just wait until okay, so now the audience has been changed into public, and hopefully it will fix the Facebook post not showing on the timeline problem. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.